We got a package. Alright guys, so I opened it up. I was right. It's actually my window decals. A long time ago, I ordered the same thing from American Muscle. And this little backing paper, yeah, it's coming off much easier. It would not come off of the backing no matter what. It actually kept little fibers stuck onto it. I could not get it off. I don't know what happened. I contacted American Muscle though. They were really nice. They issued me out a refund, and then, first they were going to replace it, but they said they were on back order, so they had to make some more. So they eventually gave me a full refund. Well, then I got an email about 3-4 days ago, and they said they were mailing me out some new decals. So props to American Muscle. Thanks for helping me out. Yeah, we're gonna put these on. I want to get eventually window louvers for the quarter windows, but those are like $130 or $140. So these are like $28. So this is a lot cheaper for now. Yeah, I'm poor. We will probably put these on in the morning as long as it's not raining, but yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? We just got out of work. First day I've actually seen it not raining, so even though it's dark out, we're gonna go wash the car and put the decals on, because we have a car meet, Cars and Coffee I should say, this weekend. We need to get those bad boys on there. But in the time it took for the rain to stop, we got something else in the mail. We've got a microphone, so now you guys are going to finally hear me. I know people have been telling me, maybe not online, but in person, the audio sucks. So, yeah, we got a microphone. Alright, so let's see what we got here. It is the Takstar SGC 598. It was like $30 or something like that. I don't remember. Looks pretty cool. So we got a nice little Takstar bag to hold it in. Some shit. Then this foam. It's packed away pretty good, it looks like. I don't know what these are. I'm sure if I read that I will. But here's the microphone. Yeah, I don't know anything about it. Looks like it has a decibel boost, on-off switch. But yeah, this is what we're going to be using. So, yeah. Alright guys, so now that the car is clean, we are going to install our decals. I'll be following the instructions because I don't really know what I'm doing. So, step one is to coat the window with soapy water. Step two is to peel the backing off. Trying to be very careful. It kind of wants to come with it. All right. So we got it peeled off. Fortunately, this is for the other window, so let me switch around.
You dumbass!
Alright guys, that's going to do it for another episode of Red Stain Productions. Peace!